Welcome and welcome to my channel English with Noori. We will learn about jewelry and in jewelry series, first of all we will talk about ring, types of rings. We will discuss about it. Subscribe my channel please. Birthstone ring, bridal set ring, antique ring, band ring, kadka ring. Next, cluster ring, engagement ring, cocktail ring. Next, three-stone ring, contemporary ring, classic solitaire ring. Next, hollow ring, side stone ring. Next, princess cut ring, cushion cut ring. Next, state ring, eternity band, wedding band, flexible ring. Next, gomel ring, nugget ring, mother's ring, mood ring. Next, posy ring, promise ring, spinner ring, signet ring. Next, semi-mount ring, puzzle ring, vintage ring, stake ring. See you in next video.